Let's start analyzing the game between Lithuania Grandmaster Titas Tremavičius and Wesley So, American Filipino Grandmaster. Grandmasters developing the figures, and now we see the Queen Gambit of Titas Tremavičius. Declined. Queen Gambit declined. Now beginning is very book-likes because it is not something unusual. Strange that Wesley saw moving his queen from beginning to the b6. Two times moving his queen. Two times. It is, according to the books, it is not perfect thing. It is great move for Wesley So to make his king safe. Now Titas pressing flank of king. Now Wesley So pinning with rook and Titas trying to protect his horse, developing figures. Now protecting kings, but I cannot say it is good for here or for here to make protection. Now Wesley attacking with horse. Third time this queen are moving forward and back. I don't know really, it is really good thing to do this. Now Titas pressing Wesley, and I think more attacking is more dangerous is for Wesley. Now horse make dangerous for this. Titas pressing with horse, but this horse is now in trouble. I think this was error, because Horse now take this rook. Now this move for me strange, because now necessary to take this horse. But he thinks, Titus, that this pawn is more important because he is freezing the structure. Now American Grandmaster wanting to sacrifice his rook for, and he done this. Now we see that Titus have one figure more. Now I don't see the plan of Titus. I see only trying to protect. Wesley wanting to exchange, but Titus don't wanting. But I think Titus must want more, because he have one great figure more. So both are very good, and I think even if Titus won, I think that it is equal players, similar.